Stop guessing at your material costs. Discover the highly accurate, live, quantity takeoff system that provides complete transparency into on-site material consumption and significantly reduces site wastage. Greetings. This presentation serves as a detailed demonstration of my quantity takeoff services, illustrated through the context of a comprehensive, multi-use development project. The scope of this high-rise project encompasses three major structures: buildings A, B, and C, an expansive podium, landscaped areas, and a double-level basement spanning the entire complex, complete with provisions for an underground water tank and vehicular ramps. Although this presentation focuses primarily on fundamental construction materials such as steel and concrete, my methodology is sufficiently flexible to be fully customized for any construction material, or indeed, for any specific work item or material falling within the scope of a project. To gain a deeper understanding of this blend of precision and detail, let us begin this presentation. First, let us discuss the calculation of concrete quantities. As an example, let us examine the data for this structure, building A here. In accordance with the drawings, meticulous details are provided for every single RCC member, ranging from beams, columns, lintels, copings, and footings to slabs and staircases. This sheet has been prepared in a highly organized manner, wherein the concrete quantity for each floor, from basement -1, basement -2, and the ground floor, extending up to the 10th, 11th, and 12th floors, is displayed in separate cells. This detailed breakdown enables us to analyze the precise concrete requirement for any specific member, such as a beam or a column, on each individual floor. Consequently, this minimizes material wastage at the site and ensures accurate planning. Now, if you direct your attention to the right side of the sheet, you will find the grand total for each individual member, indicating the cumulative volume of that specific member across the entire building. Similarly, at the very bottom of the sheet, the total concrete quantity for each floor level is displayed, information that proves invaluable during the actual casting of that particular floor. Ultimately, this entire process yields the final concrete volume for the entire building. As illustrated here for building A, the total figure stands at 1996 cubic meters. This summary proves immensely helpful for budgeting purposes and for placing orders for concrete mix designs. Now, let us proceed, with the same level of precision, to the key information presented on the next page. Our second key page is entirely dedicated to steel quantities and their systematic data organization. Much like the preceding concrete page, this section provides detailed technical information regarding all major RCC members, ranging from beams, columns, and lintels to footings, slabs, and staircases. Within this sheet, the steel details for every individual floor, from basement levels -1 and -2 right up to the uppermost stories, are clearly and distinctly presented. A unique steel diameter filter option has also been incorporated here, serving as the most distinctive feature of this calculation sheet. This filter allows you to determine, with precise accuracy, the specific quantity, in kilograms, of steel required for the reinforcement of any particular RCC member at a given floor level, categorized by diameter, e.g., 8 mm, 12 mm, or 25 mm. Regarding the data layout, the grand total for each individual member is available on the right-hand side, while the cumulative total consumption for each floor level is displayed at the bottom. Through this systematic process, we ultimately arrive at the final total quantity of steel required for the construction of the entire building, as illustrated here, for instance, where a total steel weight of 246,221 kilograms is indicated for building A. This data proves to be immensely valuable for procurement and inventory management purposes. Now, let us proceed to the next important section, page number 3. Like the previous one, this page also focuses on steel quantities. However, its structure differs in that the main table here is organized specifically based on steel diameter. For the user's convenience, a separate and advanced filter for floor levels has been provided. The most significant feature of this filter is that it enables you to effortlessly plan and manage the precise steel orders required for any specific level or floor directly at the site. The grand total for each individual structural member is available on the right side of the sheet, while the lower section displays the total consumption of steel for each distinct diameter. This arrangement helps us determine exactly which size of steel reinforcement needs to be ordered, and in what quantity. Finally, the summation of all these calculations yields the total steel weight for the entire building, as recorded here for building A, amounting to 246,221 kilograms. This final data also plays a crucial role in calculating the total steel cost for the project. Now, without further ado, let us proceed to the next page, page number 4, to explore the further details. This page presents a highly comprehensive and critical detailed calculation of steel quantities, technically referred to as the bar bending schedule, BBS. It serves not merely as a data sheet, but as a precise guide for engineers working on site. Here, you will find exhaustive details regarding every individual RCC member, categorized according to the specific structural type and flow level. Within this table, you can view the member type, its unique ID, and its physical dimensions, specifically, its length, width, and height. Additionally, the reinforcement details are clearly delineated here. This includes the specific placement of the bars within the member, whether as top bars, bottom bars, extra bent-up bars, or the rings designed to resist shear stress, i.e., stirrups. Every minute detail, ranging from the bar diameter, e.g., 8 mm to 32 mm to the total count of members sharing the same size and design, and their exact cutting lengths, has been made available here. For instance, if we examine the data for beam B96 in depth, the bar mark and weight data provided in the first 4 lines allow us to calculate the total steel quantity for that entire beam with a high degree of accuracy. To further enhance your operational efficiency, this page is equipped with advanced and smart filters. These filters enable you to sort the data based on structural type, flow level, bar type, specific member ID, and diameter, thereby making your search process significantly easier and faster. The most modern and distinctive feature of this entire table is its interactivity. The moment you click on any specific steel detail or row, a complete visual representation of that particular bar's actual shape, along with its bending dimensions, defined by legs A, B, C, etc., will instantly appear in the upper right corner of your screen. This feature is highly useful for bar benders on site, as the steel shape, hook length, and other details automatically update in real time as you select different lines. This technology eliminates human error and ensures construction quality. Now, let us proceed to the next important section, maintaining this same technical flow. Finally, we arrive at our most critical feature, the summary view. Here, you can view a detailed analysis of the entire building's steel and concrete requirements, all consolidated on a single dashboard. In addition to displaying total quantities, this view clearly delineates the exact amount of material required for each individual RCC member. Most importantly, precise data regarding kilograms per cubic meter is available for every member, indicating the average steel consumption, in kilograms, per cubic meter of cast concrete. This in-depth insight proves to be an invaluable asset, and indeed a game-changer, for engineers, not only in controlling material wastage but also during the estimation of future tenders and project cost calculations. This presentation presents a concise overview of the quantity takeoff process. Through this methodology, I am able to accurately calculate every material and item required for any construction project. Key features of my services: real-time and dynamic reporting. Our reports are fully dynamic, enabling you to make precise comparisons between calculated quantities and actual consumption at any given time. Effective cost control. This comparative analysis not only prevents material wastage but also proves invaluable in curbing irregularities and unethical practices, such as fraudulent material billing. Bidding. Analyzing this data empowers you to quote accurate rates and prepare competitive tenders for similar future projects. Contact us if you are seeking any form of quantity takeoff or billing solution for your construction project. Please feel free to contact me. I look forward to assisting you with the utmost accuracy and transparency. What you just saw was a demo version based on a multi-story residential project. However, in the field of construction, it becomes essential to adapt both the report and its structure to suit the specific nature of the project and the requirements of the client, such as a contractor, builder, or consultant. With this in mind, I offer my services by providing customized reports tailored to the unique needs of each individual client. So, to avail of such services, please do not hesitate to contact us. Our core services include digital reporting and data management, quantity estimation, project management, with or without resources, quality management, and technical documentation. Our entire system is fast, simple, and completely dynamic. Whether you are a project manager, an engineer, or an owner, this platform displays your entire site on a single screen, live and in a smart, intuitive manner. It represents a new, modern, and smart approach to project reporting, a system designed to help you manage your project with speed, accuracy, and complete control. Be sure to watch the detailed videos for each of our individual services and ask yourself, does your current system provide reports that are this precise and dynamic? Links to all these videos, can be found in the description below. A must-watch. So, don't just manage your project, optimize it. Move beyond the site and embrace a smarter way of building. Let's discuss how my remote support can bring greater clarity and better margins to your next project. Together, let's build success. To avail yourself of any of the services listed below, email me today at contact@purvang.in or reach out via WhatsApp or a phone call at 091 97272 89341. Thank you.